What's up, YouTube? Okay, so the crypto markets have been taking some pretty serious dips, right? Um, all the all the all the different investments have the same chart. What's going on? This is crazy. Well, so check it out. Look, um, if you're invested in crypto newly, you're probably not aware that the crypto markets, everything we have in the crypto market, it's all really closely um, correlated with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin being the first one to kind of outpace all the other cryptos, and um, it was mass adopted in many ways, and had tons and tons of investors, right? So everything in the cryptocurrency market was trying to emulate, um, in a way, systems that and similar properties of Bitcoin, so they could be like so they could be similar, right? So when you see the whole entire crypto market is down, what's going on? Well, Bitcoin is under fire right now about their energy consumption. Um, Basically, there's been some news will have an effect. In fact, most news will have an effect more than it should on a market. The news has less effect on value than it does on investor sentiment. The news will scare investors, but it won't change the value of a given investment unless all the sentiment from the investors is removed, right? So keep that in mind when you're looking at these cryptocurrency markets. You're like, oh, wow, I'm down a lot, or I'm doing really good. Well, maybe have a look at Bitcoin. In the future, though, I think we'll see when Bitcoin is doing bad, all the other ones are doing good, and vice versa. There's going to be a back and forth game, right? Down the line. We're not there yet. We're still reacting from the news is still pushing content about to be afraid of crypto, and right now our government is saying be afraid of it. Yet they want to incorporate a tax into it. So to me, it sounds like they're not going to shut it down. It sounds like they're going to manipulate it in their favor so everyone can play the game, including them. I'm okay with that. That's fine by me. If the extent of U.S. cryptocurrency regulation is a tax on any transaction over $10,000 at a time, I mean, if that's the full extent, that's okay. I'm not gonna cry about that, right? Um, let's see here. Um, had a couple other things I want to talk about. Oh, oh yeah. So check it out. Look, um, the fact that the governments are trying to put this tax on all the $10,000 transactions, this is kind of good. This is kind of good for a couple of reasons, because whales, right? When if you've ever actually invested in the crypto market, if you're new and you haven't, you don't know, it's very volatile. It goes up, down, heavily. There's a lot of reasons for this. One, the whole world plays, and two, it never turns off. Here in America, the stock market shuts down and it closes all night, and then it's morning, everything's caught up, and you get run-ups after hours and things like that. But the crypto market is 24/7 and never stops. All the action is live, right? So you get this volatility, and but let me get back to this point about the whales, right? So with this tax, what this would essentially what this would do is keep whales from making too many big moves, or just pay the fine for it, right? Which is they maybe will do the same thing and pay the fine, but I think likely they may do less big moves, which may add, less ups and downs to the market and more stability, right? That's what we're all hoping for here: stability in the crypto market, right? Because the gains to be made are are much higher than or at a much faster pace than that of the regular stock market. So I wanted to bring that up. That whole taxing thing, maybe not a bad idea. Just keep your trades around 9,000. um, they obviously see it as a great taxing opportunity and a money funnel. And I think if they want to use it as a money funnel, then my eyes are on it too. Right? Um, the prices we're seeing today, right? So all the markets are red, right? Man, if you can't see this as a buying opportunity, this is not your type of game. You're not. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I haven't seen prices like this in a long time, and I don't think you're going to see prices like this in a very long time, if ever. This might be your one chance to get into some crypto if you haven't yet, right? Oh, you're messing up the camera. It's maybe your chance, right? So, but look, I just wanted to make that video for you guys and bring up, the China ban. I'm good on the China ban. Everyone over there pretty much has to hold. They can't do any transactions, so it almost creates a good scarcity for everything, which I think what we're gonna see. We're gonna see Bitcoin bottom out, 35,000, maybe 29,000 a coin. Once that happens, the whole market's gonna stabilize and be like, these are the low prices. We're gonna see a couple maybe. Couple ups and downs heavy, and then we should see a pretty strong uptrend. When you get into the prices for Bitcoin around 30 G's, that's actually affordable. It sounds ridiculous, I know, because I bought my coins back in the day for like $400 each, and now they're 30 grand. So just keep your eye on that stuff, and yeah, if you can afford to hold in there. If you got to avoid a catastrophe to pay your bills, then my guy, go pay your bills. All right, do what you got to do. Handle your stuff. Make smart investments. Make wise decisions. Don't buy anything you're gonna have to sell in a week or two. That's just a bad move unless you're a day trader. And only people who are upset right now are day traders probably. So, or people who are supposed to retire this year. But everybody, hang in there. Let's see what happens with the crypto regulations, and let's see if we can't reverse this all this bearish market. Let's see if we can't get bull on them and take this stuff right back up. Because with prices like this, it's not going to be long before they get bought up, right? If you're out there selling your stuff right now, I'm buying it. All right. So, oh man, I just want to tell everybody thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. I just want to see the crypto market awareness raise in general. I think there's a lot of good to come of it, from it, for everyone. We should take the money back. We should be able to take the money back from the banking system, all the transfer fees and all the minimum balance requirements and all the money they're getting for doing things we can do with our own phones on our own decentralized ledger systems. So do your research. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, please subscribe, please share a friend. If you have a different opinion on me, or you maybe take an alternative perspective, that's absolutely awesome too. You guys, you can come on the show. Please join and comment, and I'll chat. Maybe I can get you on the show. We'll see what's up. But I appreciate you guys, and yeah, keep doing your thing. Make smart decisions. Be safe. Take it easy. See you next time.